back to my channel. It's your girl Val and I'm back again with another freaking video. As y'all can see by the title, we are going to Puerto Rico for my 21st birthday. I am so excited, y'all. I've been staying down. I've just been chilling. I've been working hard and I'm just excited to enjoy myself. Finally have my first birthday trip with people I love, people that care about me, people that I care about. I'm just so ready. And I'm so excited for y'all to follow with me. Come with me. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just all over the place. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But I'm excited for y'all to come with me on this trip. It's going to be super lit. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you're going to love it here. Especially after this vlog, okay? Period. It is 9:08 in the morning. I'm about to go to my one and only class of today because, baby, school first, fun later. All right? Period. So yeah, we about to go to that class. I don't know why I can't talk. We are about to go to that class, get that out the way. Then me and somebody need to hit Family Dollar because I need a container for my shea butter and I also need a pill container for my vitamins. I didn't realize that I didn't have one until I realized I couldn't even pack the stuff that I need to take in the morning time. So yeah, we'll go to Family Dollar. Then we might hit up the liquor store, possibly. I don't know yet. That's the decision we made yesterday. I'll have to see if she's still on that same timing or not because I'm on that timing. But yeah, we might hit that up. And then once we get here, we're just going to head out to the airport because our flight is at 2:30. So yeah, we don't have much time to play around. And I like to get to the airport at least 2 hours before. Spring break has been happening at different times in different places. And I just want to make sure we on time because baby, ain't no missing no flights this way. All right, period. So yeah, traveling mercies for us on this journey. I know a lot's been going on in the world lately, but yeah, I'm excited. God got us. He gonna protect us. I'm gonna pray before that flight. I'm gonna pray after that flight, all that. So yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button like I said because it's gonna be lit. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit, probably after class, because no sense in me really vlogging in there. I'm just ready. I'm gonna really just be trying to get up out of that, honestly. So hopefully we don't have to stay the whole time, but it's lecture, so most likely. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all after that, probably when we're on our way to the store. So yeah, check back in with y'all in a little while. What's up, y'all? So it is currently 10:38. We got out of genetics early, thank God. Woo! Is y'all gonna hit us or what?
They gonna wait.
What are y'all honking for? We're so excited to go to PR. Are you excited? Yeah! You need a drink. You need a shot or something.
I'm fucking sleepy.
Yeah, I'm sleepy too. Hey y'all, so I am back home from class. I got this from Family Dollar. I don't even need the pumps or anything. I just needed the small containers. So it was only $1, so whatever. Just need these two. And I think that's all I really need. Because I need to put my shea butter. My good old shea butter. Y'all know I don't play about my shea butter. Let me go get a knife. It's cracked too. I am about to literally just close my suitcase and then we literally heading out at 12. It is 11:21 right now, so it's almost that time to get up out of here. I'm excited. I'm a little tired, but I'm gonna sleep on the plane. So yeah, gotta get my energy up a little bit, but I'm here though, okay? I'm here, finna go to PR, finna turn the fuck up. And yeah, stay up, stay tuned. Catch y'all at the airport. Your girl is packed up and ready to go. I'm so excited. We are literally about to leave out. This is the fit. 2-piece from Shein. Asics. My boyfriend bought them. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so freaking lit. I'm gonna talk to y'all while I head out. I mean, when I head out and I get in the car or something like that. Y'all will see me though. So we made it to the airport. We just checked in. We're about to go to TSA. So I already know I get overstimulated at TSA when I have my camera out. So it's going right in this book bag. I'm not even finna play. I do, especially with my mama. Oh my God. And a little kid. Jayla be irritating me so bad.
At least it's empty though.
But yeah.
Everybody gonna
Look at how good my camera look. Yeah. Is it just focused or something? I must have hit something. I ain't never seen it this clear. We need to get our TSA pre-check.
I already have mine. I just need to do that fucking interview.
Well, you need to do it. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get out of TSA. Yeah, we're making good timing. Good timing. And our flight got delayed by 4 minutes. Also, we made it to our gate and we are going to be boarding at 2:04. I was about to ask Samaya, but last time I asked her to tell me the time, she told me to look at my fucking boarding pass.
This is the 5th time you asked me.
Anyway, yeah, so we're just waiting to board, y'all. We're pretty tired. We're ready to go to bed. And yeah, I'm gonna be on that plane. I'm not playing. But we're landing in Tampa for our layover. My cousin Yari, she's already in Tampa, and we got the same flight. So this is great. This is great. We're gonna all be on the Tampa flight from Tampa to San Juan. So it's gonna be tea, period. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get on the plane, because right now we're not doing nothing.
Light a cake, funnel cake. What is this? Vertebrae, diamond lens, cardiac, pockets fat, overweight, cannabis, meditate, overseas, out of state, a lot of speed.
Hey guys, so we landed in Tampa, Florida. Next stop is freaking Puerto Rico. My cousin is here already, so we about to go meet with her. I think she's at the gate. But this mirror is so cute.
No, it really is.
I'm all in the mirror. You're fine.
Excuse me.
But yeah, we about to go meet up with Yari. Oh my God, focus. We about to go meet up with Yari. I'm gonna charge my camera. And yeah, let's go. And we hungry. Well, Samaya hungry.
Nigga, you talking about shots? I need to eat.
I told her we taking shots. She trying to eat. Get you a little French fry. That's all.
Alright.
A little French fry. Ain't nobody on no diet. That's just all I be eating before I drink.
Fucking French fry.
Yep. Maybe a little fruit snack. A little bite.
Well, just have some damn pretzels.
Right, that should do it. There you go, right there.
Oh hell no. You want me to die?
No, I don't, bro. I don't. Let me see where she at.
Damn, I did not see our shit on her.
Hey, y'all, what's up?
You know the bastard thing made out the group chat. Fuck time.
Period. We made it out the group chat. We always gonna make it out the fucking group chat. Hello. Hello. Y'all, we finna try to get some shots. Okay?
4 hours.
Hopefully get some shots.
I took a nap.
At this random place.
It's like the train.
Can you just give me a bowl of fries? I'm good to drink after that.
You see that till we touch down. Your ass go, wait, Cuddy, wait. Cuddy.
Shut up. I'm dead. Y'all, the sun, okay, the sun is going nuts right now, but we are on the plane. We're about to head to Puerto Rico. Make some freaking noise, y'all. We taking off, y'all. See y'all in Puerto Rico. Y'all, we made it to Puerto Rico. Surprise. Yeah, stop playing, for real. It's time to turn the fuck up. It's time to turn the fuck up.
I'm so mad my G-Shock delivered.
What? Coulda used for the be G-Shock down. What?
And that bit of red.
What? Bloody.
Don't worry about it.
It's cool. You go shit on them next time. Hello. I want a pink one.
Well,
G-Shock. Like a light pink.
That rose.
They got a white one with pink inside.
I think I know what you're talking about.
That bitch so
rose
nice.
goes
We in Puerto Rico! Let's go! Let's go!
But y'all ain't messing with that shirt.
Period. Guess who's here? Period. Welcome to our Airbnb. It's so It's so tea in here. Stop playing with me. Real shit. Real shit. I'm not no regular smuggler. You hear me? Happy fucking birthday, bitch. Yeah. Talk to me nice, ho.
Hello, where you at?
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. On my soul. What is y'all saying? Big 2-1.
I was calling you because Talia trying to make sure you was okay and my phone was sitting out there. So just let us know when you're near or get Alright, can you send
I'm gonna send it in a group. Woo! This bitch nice. It ain't no roaches in here or nothing on myself. Wait, what happened? Oh, thanks. Everything is in the instructions on the app.
For the air?
Oh.
Did you turn the key first? Okay, now open it. Great, 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 great.
Book guy.
Sorry, G.
I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all want this water?
We can chase it with the
We ain't got no choice.
Y'all want? I wanted to get us a case of water. Is this okay?
What do you mean? This is.
I don't know. Some people don't drink certain water. Like, well, I know somebody don't drink.
But this is
certain
probably
water.
gonna be the best water we ever had in life, bro.
They say Caribbean water.
That's what I'm saying. I ain't never had that.
Yeah, me
What's
either.
that Bacardi? That look little. I ain't gonna lie.
Bacardi though, y'all. Is that the only thing? It's just Bacardi. It say that. Ugh, fuck.
Can you bring it closer? I can't even
That
see it.
Absolute vodka. Y'all ain't got shit. Which one y'all want?
So like, what would you recommend? We trying to have a.
Yeah, we back from the store. I don't know what this is. We couldn't go to no real liquor store. We gonna try again tomorrow.
They
But-
were like, what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
No, we don't know.
We don't know either.
Now where is Akira? Mariah. Wow.
How that shit tastes tasty.
It looked like some Chinese shit though.
Okay. Damn, I should have recorded that.
Am I not?
No.
Get her that. You funny.
Y'all, we had this door there.
Hell nah. It's some old.
Yeah, we got McDonald's. Did y'all know that McDonald's in Puerto Rico got mozzarella
They
sticks?
have a staring contest with the player of my choice.
That's kinda
Who's
cool.
the drink?
But we finna
Let's
eat.
go.
And we was drinking. We already took shots. So
Hold on, so I'm a little tipsy. I done 3 shots.
yeah, I didn't want to get copyrighted, but I'm gonna play it back. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all. If y'all see me recording, I don't remember what I ordered. So whatever you. I thought I did too.
I know I got the little fresco thing.
You cannot squint.
So yeah, just say everyone must drink except my player with the whole.
What you say?
Serving everybody. We love the magazine throwing up the body. Me and Tip take it off like a ride.
What you looking for?
Oh, I don't know that bitch at.
Well, it's in here somewhere. Hey y'all, so we about to get up in the pool. We're gonna get in the pool, y'all. Come with us to the pool. Bro.
Yes,
Hey y'all, so it is like 4 in the morning and we are about to head to bed because we got excursions in the morning. Our car is picking us up at 8 o'clock, so we kind of need to get in the bed so that we can have a full day of stuff tomorrow. I'm trying to get this swoop top off me. I'm just have to pull it down because it's obviously not trying to get loose. But I just put on this pajama set. I got this from Shein like last year. So yeah, nothing too crazy. I'm about to literally tie my hair up really good. Yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing. Sexy. I really need to edit. That's what I really need to do, honestly. I got a lot to do. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoying the vlog so far. This is gonna be a long one. My cousin got me more storage on my camera. I had already bought a new SD card just in case, but she did some, and now my camera got hella storage again. So good for me. I don't even gotta use the new SD card yet. Period. I don't know how I want to tie this to make sure it don't come apart. Tomorrow gonna be so fun though, y'all. We're going to UTV riding, then we're riding horses. Then we're going UTV riding horses, breakfast. We're going to this other restaurant called Burgers and Mayo I saw on TikTok. Then we're going to La Placita, which is gonna be lit. Like we're finna club hop. Yeah, we're finna club the fuck hop, literally. I'm excited. I hope y'all excited. But yeah, I'm going to talk to you all in the morning because I'm about to head to sleep. I'm gonna try to edit just a little bit, but I don't want to be up too late because yeah, I don't want to be up too late. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and we are about to go to UTV riding. I got on this pink two-piece. There goes Zaya. There goes Yari. There go Kim.
Hi, world.
So we just waiting on the car to come, y'all. Why we wake up late, low-key?
Damn.
Low-key,
I
like,
let y'all know that alarm shit don't work.
it didn't work. Like, I didn't hear nothing.
Shady.
But
Kira woke me up, she said, it's 7:30. I said, nobody else up? She was like, no. I said, you may go lay back there.
really, bro, you supposed to be like, Dad, I had to get up. Like, what?
Because didn't we say we was gonna wake up at 6?
Bro, I have alarms on because that's how I wake up anyway every day. I didn't hear nothing.
I'm just saying, if a motherfucker say we waking up at 6 and it's 7:30,
I didn't hear none of my alarms.
Lay back down. What the fuck?
My alarm went off like 3 times before.
I didn't get up.
And I knew she wasn't gonna get up because I'm in the bed. I'm tired as fuck. I hear Netflix come on. I'm like, what time you going to bed? She's like, I'm just finna watch it.
My legs are, this the best part. Eat it first, this a head start.
Wait, stick it out the window. Yeah, we can either go to y'all, we are at the horseback riding stuff. It's literally 9:59, so we got here literally when it was time. So, hey, is this where we check in? Yeah, UTV. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
That's on the right.
Thank you. Period. Yes. Stain. Hello.
Yes.
But it's like fresh, probably. You want to say hey to my vlog?
What up?
That's a lie. Ain't nobody in that bitch. You can hear that. Okay. How y'all coming, man? Period. We in Puerto Rico. Oh, girl. There's a lot going on right here. Shit. Oh hell no, you gotta slow down for this one. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Yes, ma'am. Oh my God, what is that? Yes, welcome to the Rainforest. Y'all, I got a coconut. Let's see. Taste test. This shit really fresh.
That's what I thought was refreshing. Which one you get? Mango?
I stick to what I know. Oh, let me take a picture before I drown this.
I said this about the only thing they text on. Cause you gotta think, even with the look and shit, that wasn't bad. We got a whole bottle of Hello Buzz.
Exactly, that was only $93.
That's what I'm saying. That crib, that shit would've been like $200 last night. How much was this? $90.
It was like 90 something. It was not bad.
Like 90.
We got a bottle like $6.
Yeah, like 5 different things.
Something to drink. Like that shit.
A case of water.
Right.
Bitch. Hey guys, Chase trying to think we had fraud. I forgot to tell him that we out of town. Bro, your camera quality is so good. I said the camera quality. That's what I said. I said it's been glass in this truck. Damn. And then Zaya got her big camera. That shit gonna be lit. Y'all, we is on a journey.
Journey at that. My mama was a real life journey. Hey, we finna go track and field this motherfucker just to eat.
Literally.
This meal better be excellent.
Just for some damn food.
This meal finna be excellent.
Cause our next excursion, y'all, is not till 1:30, so we like, fuck it, we finna get something to eat.
Let's do it.
How about y'all take us?
This would be a cute ass picture. Y'all see that? Straight ahead.
What?
That too. Shit.
Girl, what the heck? Do better. Yeah, we is so funny for this. It's okay, y'all. We gonna make it. We gonna get there. Hi, y'all. So we are at brunch. We came to... How do we pronounce this place? I'm gonna just show y'all, because I know y'all gonna be asking me where I went. But this is where we at to eat. Once we order our food, I'm about to change into my horseback riding outfit, y'all, because this is just for ATV. Can I get a picture of mimosa? I didn't know they had different flavors of mimosa. What type of flavor? You said a mimosa, right?
Yes.
What type of flavor y'all want? I didn't know they had different flavor mimosas.
That is strong.
Can you get her the options again?
I have the orange, passion fruit, acerola, lime. I have strawberry, guava.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is lemonade or passion fruit. But the regular does have orange.
Right. Y'all want to get the original?
Yes.
You want to get the original? Like original mimosa, it's just orange juice.
For oranges?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, we can be basic.
Right. I was gonna say that. You want to get the passion fruit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Can we have passion fruit instead? I'm so sorry.
I feel sick.
Yeah, could you hear it? Hey y'all, so I just went to change. Yeah.
Wait, what's the time is it? I don't know. I didn't realize that. I was looking at them and I couldn't see it.
Let me put my hat on. Yeah. It's giving. She finna go. She finna get on that horse. This is the fit, y'all.
Oh, that's why you have the hat?
video and send it to the group because I don't got it on my phone charger.
I'm making a book already.
Yeah.
But I feel you can taste it.
See, Leah, I feel like this is basic.
Yeah.
I was really thinking about fried, but I really
Is it long?
fried. She got fried turkey fries. She said right here.
All right, y'all, taste it.
Oh, wow. Good.
Got a croissant too.
What is this, though?
Thank you so much.
What is it? It says sugar? Oh, you don't say that. It's probably sugar.
Thank you.
Everything goes for now? Everything good?
That's more water.
More water?
Yeah, they're gonna be so tasty. What the fuck is this? I just want some salt and pepper. Like, what the fuck is going on?
Can I get some syrup and ketchup, guys?
There we go.
Thank you. Oh, I need to see that right next to you, Smart. That's why I ain't see it next to you. I wouldn't have asked for the ketchup. It was worth the walk.
Get back with y'all.
What's about? Potato's good. The silence as everyone eating is crazy.
I got so many cars added to my shit.
Did we finish it? Oh, okay. Good job, y'all.
Also, like,
And they did.
Y'all, we is back at the Rainforest. I done changed. Woo!
Y'all, like, no lie, I'm throw up. And
How you gonna ride a horse?
by the grace of God,
He gonna take the wheel. I mean, take the
by the
reins.
grace of God, I'm trying to be on
We
that.
about to get on these horses.
Because I can't mess up. If I mess up, it's over.
Y'all, we are outside. Look at my horse, y'all. The name is Cecilia. Period. Y'all, we are at a stop getting lick. Gonna take a shot. Everybody got their shots ready? Well, you said the salt, then the liquor? How y'all
I
do
thought it
it?
was liquor, then salt.
Salt, yeah. And then the lime.
Okay. Y'all ready?
Wait, so,
3. Wait, we doing the whole thing?
yeah. But what do you think a shot is?
I don't know how to take the whole shot.
Bro, y'all know what I mean.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Habían 10 guardias. Habían 10 guardias. Hoy fue la mujer que la doña va al salón de belleza de ella, parece que le hizo las uñas, no sé qué, y el video se ve después, la doña en el piso y la muerte se da.
See, y'all did it?
I want to cry right now.
Oh, dead ass. Oh, no, she still got something left. I'm fucking around with all that fucking room shit.
What's up, y'all? So we in Wally World right now, grabbing some stuff. Hopefully I'm loud enough, cause y'all on the cart. Everything's a little, sorry. Everything's a little blurry right now. Oh yes, red cups. We need red cups. Red cups. Okay, I need a towel. Respectfully, we can get a pack.
security in the building.
I don't need 18. I just need a towel for my face.
CEO, a new wave. You know that.
I need a face towel, body towel, and I need a loafer.
Huh?
A loafer.
Buck.
Alrighty. Let's go, guys, before we start grabbing more stuff. They said it was gonna be closer to the checkout.
Yeah, sporting goods, wherever that is.
I'm not pushing that cart no more. I'm done.
That's not how that works, bro.
I'm done.
I see you moving up.
I can't focus on pushing and holding my pee, bro. I gotta pee. I gotta fucking pee.
Black people can't fucking multitask.
Nope, I can't.
We be acting like everything's stressed out.
I'm just overstimulated.
She know that word. If I had a dog every time she said that,
Every time I say I'm overstimulated, I be overstimulated for real.
Puerto Rico right now. What is that?
Oreo muffin?
That's a thing?
What? Oreo muffins? Let's just walk. Let's just walk. Let's just keep walking. We don't need it. We're checking out of Walmart, y'all. Then we gonna go home, shower, get something to eat, and then we're going outside. Okay? Period. I'm a little tipsy, but that's fine. Hey, y'all. So it is. I don't know what time it is. What you trying to say?
Last minute outfit change. Last minute outfit.
Yo, so we are about to head out the door. We are. Let me see. What was wrong with the other shirt?
It's the same people.
It's still cute.
Which one? This one?
Either one, honestly.
Damn. Hold on, no. I'm finna switch you back.
Oh, I even picked the color. I'm like, where's the... Uh-oh. They're trying to leave. That's kind of rude. That's kind of rude.
How the fuck they leaving? I hear TikTok. Somebody lying. It's not me.
We riding in the pool.
We look real... everybody look... Alright, meet us outside. Let's go. My crew, let's go.
Yeah, my crew, let's go. Let's go. On my mama big ass. I got the food. And she got the tits. Hold on, man.
Right.
Hello?
Let me... I'm nervous. I get nervous on the gas. Hey!
Which way?
That way. Hey, they didn't got a fight. I don't know what yet.
Who you on the phone with?
My sister Juan.
Hey!
Why they so big?
Whole table. Y'all ready? Who's taking it first? Who's taking it first? Fuck it, let's do it. All right, fuck it, go ahead.
That shit made me hot.
Alright, Kel, you
Why
next.
y'all look at me?
Cause you next, boo.
God bless.
Oh,
That was decent.
Oh, well, though.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cleo. Happy birthday to you.
That wasn't bad.
Bad.
It says stolen.
Fight somebody mama on Facebook.
Yes.
Hey, let's go somebody else. Yup, hey.
That's all it's talking.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm too far away from my phone don't work. To be with J Money, serving everybody.
Y'all talking about me.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
For the queen. Hey guys, y'all, it is the morning time and we are about to head to Juan. This keeps getting in the way. Yeah, we're about to head to Juan. It's really hot outside. Oh gosh. I'm just trying to go to the pool. Hey y'all, so we made it to Juan and we're about to go get breakfast. It's so pretty out here, y'all. Like, I'm really blessed. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Yeah, y'all, so we are at this place called, where we at? Cafe Mimosa. Every restaurant we were trying to go to was freaking closed, so I mean, not closed.
He was interrogating his ass.
They were not. Y'all, I'm a little tipsy. I'm sorry. I barely can talk. I don't even know how I'm tipsy. I still feel drunk. Alright. But yeah, so we're at this place called Cafe Mimosa, and all the restaurants basically were like saying 35 minutes, and we have an excursion at 2 o'clock, so we're like, no, we're not waiting that long. Like, that's crazy. So we called this restaurant inside of a hotel in Juan, and they are open and stuff. So we're just sitting here. We ordered mimosas and our food already. We like, let's get this going because we're hungry. And we're having so much fun. We're having so much fun. It's like the best birthday ever. Cheers, guys. Wait, keep it up. I gotta get one for the... Send that to the group chat too. Cause why would she do that?
I wanna drink it, but like I need some food. Make me sweat. Make me sweat.
Yep, I'm gonna bring the food right now. I'm gonna bring the food right now.
Okay. Woo! That's good. That's good. That's good. Girl, finish the first one. I can like. Oh, it was good. Okay. I don't think we had any bad food since we've been here. For sure. Everything was a... Yeah. Y'all, we just got done with breakfast and now we about to go to our excursions. We lit, I'm not gonna lie. We had 2 mimosas. I'm lit.
Can we turn the air off?
Oh, like that.
Kind of cold.
Well,
Turn the air off.
yeah. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely not. Oh, sorry. Sorry. We need to get out.
Hi guys, so we are on the shuttle to go to our excursion. Got my water shoes, they're really bright. It is, huh?
So all y'all from Chicago too?
Nah, I'm from Cali.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm from Chicago.
Oh, okay. That's where y'all met at?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all in school right now?
Yeah.
Oh, literally. That's what's up. I went to Georgia State.
Woo,
I
period.
mean, I went to school. I don't think I did Chicago, but...
We go to Xavier. Yeah, we go to... They so funny. Hey y'all, so we just finished with the Rainforest tour. Well, we're not finished with like our tour guide, but he took us to this food place, so we're getting food. We'll take some shots. Yeah, and we're at the beach, so this should be fun. We couldn't find you. We didn't know which way you went. We weren't paying attention.
I ain't fucking with them black birds.
But yeah, look though.
I don't remember nothing to it.
Can I get the
I don't even know. We get a
piece of crab?
Hot sauce tomato ketchup over
Crab.
there. So we got different sauces.
Empanada.
Beautiful complexion.
Empanada, that's
Al capullo.
Can I get the pizza one and the crab empanada? Is that how you say it?
Yep. Sometimes I got a lobster taquito. That's my favorite.
The crab and pizza.
But if you want chicken, beef, lobster, crab, fish, shrimp.
Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. And y'all, when I tell y'all, after the Rainforest tour, the plan was to go back to La Placita and go to this lounge called Evo Lounge. But literally when we got in, all of us took a shower, we all laid down until it was going to take like a 30-minute nap. None of us got up. Like, literally nobody got up. And I'm not even mad because we were exhausted and we've been doing stuff every single day. So, we didn't get to go to Evo Lounge, but that's fine. I'm just going to basically just take all my pictures before heading out again today. So we're going to go to back to San Juan, get some more gifts, you know, just explore, go to the beach as well. And I have a swimsuit I want to wear for that. And then I want to take pictures in my pajamas with my balloons. And then I have one more outfit that I was supposed to wear last night that I'm gonna just go ahead and take pictures in. So that's what I'm about to get ready for. First I'm gonna do my pajamas. We're also making breakfast. We ordered groceries. So that's about to happen. And yeah, I just want to catch y'all up. I'm about to get in the shower, make some content in the bathroom, and yeah. So I'll talk to y'all when I am with my first little pajama set on, I guess, taking pictures. I really hope y'all enjoying this vlog. I'm really enjoying my time. We've been here since Thursday, and I do not want to go home tomorrow. Like, I'm so sad, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna make sure today is the best last day. And this has been an amazing birthday. Like, I've had the best birthday ever so far. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. My food. I got so much content to even post. Like, I really just been getting videos to my Instagram. I haven't even cared to TikTok, and I've been like living in the moment for real. Hey guys, I got my pajama set on, so y'all can see. It's really cute. I'll have to show y'all where I'll take a picture. I showed y'all when we first got here, but I might have to blow them up a little bit. Dang, I did my lip combo. It must have just fell. Did it just fall or it's like done? Oh yeah. Let's see here. Oh, I gotta hurry up and take pictures. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm just trying to be different. It's funny as fuck. Cause you know, yeah. Cause like, girl, not right now. For real. That's why. And make sure it's straight. Do it, yeah, I was gonna say.
Oh, bro, so go ahead. She now we thinking the same thing, like, go ahead. Okay, let's see. Alright.
Big two more big.
Alright. Oh. Ah! That should be good. I can take some more though. Hey! I didn't really get the happy birthday card. I got like, hey.
I was just taking my pictures, guys. She in the kitchen whipping. Wait. Oh. Should I? It don't even matter. Just take a bite.
That was something.
Doing good.
Yeah.
Hello. All we need is some syrup. So all we need is some syrup. We made breakfast. So we're gonna make cranberry mimosas. I'm sure like y'all, they say the mimosas was good.
That's level 1.
Level 1 though. No, I did let swallow.
Next time we go make some daiquiri.
You know what? I need to know how to make some daiquiri.
Leave my phone. Maybe she do. Or
Somebody.
we got some fruit.
Oh yeah. That would have some fruit. Hey y'all. So we just got done eating and I'm about to change into my second outfit so that I can take my pictures. Also about to put my phone on the charger because it needs to charge. I have some batteries on the charger, so y'all are all good to go. I'm a little tipsy. You know, we had a mimosa. I actually made an extra one thinking that it was 6 of us, but I forgot my cousin left today. Last night rather, and I made 6, so they made me take the 6th one, so I actually had 2 mimosas. Better change. I'll wash my hands first, because I don't want nothing on my stuff. I just changed into my next fit, y'all. Real fast. Bottegas. LB bag. I got my LB bag on the wrong way. Hold on. Period. Routine. Let's take some flicks. I just got done taking my pictures, y'all. Y'all can see the outside. We leave tomorrow. Oh goodness. The B&B was fine. This ain't getting posted till when we leave, so we can take a video of the B&B. Oh my God! Whoa! Hey y'all, my camera probably a little ashy. Hold on. I think my shit over. There you go. I'm about to go get my makeup done. My dinner's at 9, but I'm getting my makeup done for 5 o'clock. So yeah, about to head there. Yari, Kale, and Kara went to the mall. Samaya's here. She got to take an exam online, so she's gonna stay at the B&B, and then I'm gonna just head to the makeup appointment like that. And yeah, like, period. I'm ready to look good. I'm ready to put my little thing on and just. And our last night is day 4, so we had a freaking ball. But I am ready to get back home just to like get back to reality and finish the semester out. This is a great break, you know. I needed that. And yeah, I'm excited. So I'm gonna see y'all on the way to my makeup appointment. So I just got done with my makeup and now I am about to head back to B&B. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm at the dinner. This is my outfit. I wasn't really able to show y'all when I was getting dressed, but we're at dinner now. Oh, shit. Perfect, thank you. Yay, cheers. I said that, you ain't hear me? I tasted it. I said it was strong. I don't like it. Don't piss me off for real. $1,000. I need to finish my drink. Oh hell no. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. She's so aggravated. Period. Woo! Thank you. Big 21 hoe. Give y'all a dance. I'm gonna hit that. Can I like give y'all a dance? So what the hell? Hey y'all, so we are back from dinner. I'm about to take my pictures that I want to post tomorrow. I'm not posting in that other outfit. Like, I don't know, y'all. It wasn't giving what I wanted it to give, so I'm gonna just let that be that. But at least y'all saw it on the vlog. But I'm gonna try to take pictures in this swimsuit and hopefully post these tomorrow. Hey y'all, I don't know the last time I talked to y'all, but it is a couple hours later. I feel like I talked to y'all last time when I was in the yellow swimsuit. But we are at the airport and we are about to head back to New Orleans. I don't want to go back. They never tell me how hard. Nobody told me how hard it was to, you know, come on vacation and then I'll go back. Like, no. But as y'all can see, I took out my makeup. My edge looked crazy. We almost missed our flight. It's just been wild, but we're here. We made it. I bought my boyfriend a keychain. You guys want to see it? Well, I bought him two because I couldn't decide, so I was just letting him decide. Hopefully he likes the one with his initials because I don't know another J besides.
Llamado al siguiente pasajero del vuelo 433 con destino Orlando, pasajero Luis Díaz. Si se encuentra en el terminal, favor de pasar a su puerta marcada de
And then at the other gift store, I got a shot glass and a bracelet.
Señor Luis Díaz.
I hope he likes it. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I land in Orlando. We have a layover in Orlando. Yeah, because I'm going to be asleep this flight, baby. Y'all ain't going to see nothing from me. So I'm going to talk to y'all when I get to Orlando. Okay? Hey, y'all. So we just landed in Orlando. So first things first is to get some food. I done got used to vlogging in public now. But yeah, first thing, oh, what's over there? That jewelry.
I say that I've been to Tampa and Orlando.
Yep. I've been to Orlando before, but Tampa? No. Nope. Hey y'all, so I just got back home from traveling from PR, and y'all, I had so much fun on my birthday trip. Like, this was the best birthday ever. Like, I'm not even kidding. I had so much fun. I enjoyed everybody that came out and celebrated with me the whole time we was there. Like, everything was just amazing. I would literally do it again and again and again. I really love traveling, y'all. Like, the travel vlogs just be my favorite ones to do. Like, I really love traveling. But I just wanted to end this vlog off because if you finished this vlog, then you a real one. Like, I really appreciate it. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for more videos. And this is not the end of me, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna take me a minute to get this out because this week I just got stuff back to back. But just know I pulled out that camera every chance I could. Like, I was not playing with the content for this trip. So y'all go love it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.